How to check if Nike shoes are original. 1. Check the box. Original. Comes in a sturdy Nike box with correct branding, labels, and barcodes. Fake, cheap packaging, blurry logos, spelling mistakes, or missing labels. 2. Examine the label and SKU code. Inside the tongue or heel area, Nike shoes have a size label with a unique SKU, style code. Match this SKU with the one printed on the box and search it online. Original. The code matches exactly, and you'll find the exact model on Nike's site. Fake. Code doesn't exist or shows a different shoe model. 3. Check the logo. Original. Nike's swoosh is clean, sharp, and perfectly aligned. Fake. Uneven stitching, stretched or sloppy swoosh. 4. Inspect the stitching and quality. Original. Neat, strong stitching, high-quality materials, no glue marks. Fake. Loose threads, uneven stitches, excess glue. 5. Look at the insole and sole. Original. Nike logo printed inside, high-quality cushioning, sole patterns are clean and durable. 6. Smell test. Original. Smells like quality material, rubber/leather. Fake. Strong chemical or plastic smell. 7. Check the weight. Original. Balanced weight, feels solid. Fake. Either too heavy or too light. 8. Scan QR code/use Nike app. Most new Nike shoes have a QR code on the size tag. Scan with your phone should open Nike's official site for that model. 9. Price check. Original. Nike rarely discounts new releases heavily. If price is too good to be true, it's likely fake. 10. Buy from trusted sources. Buy only from Nike official website, Nike stores, or authorized retailers, Foot Locker, JD Sports, etc.